Here's a Riesling planting. So Riesling is a vinifera, not very cold hardy. We had a cold winter a couple years ago, killed this whole vineyard to the ground, and we had to retrain them. It's also not very disease resistant. So this, if you don't spray Riesling, it gets a raging case of powdery mildew, right? Nobody wants to have juice that's, I don't know if you want to pass this around, you want to take powdery mildew back to your vineyard? Yeah. You don't want to have juice out of this. So we look at control methods. So people ask me, why do you have to spray grapes? If you don't spray them, this is what happens. So again, Tim Weigel, pest management, looking at ways to put on protective sprays. We look at disease modeling, we look at weather modeling and how to put on those sprays in a very economical, environmental safe way so that we have clean fruit and good wine at the end of the season. This is a Traminette block. Traminette is a hybrid. One of the parents of Traminette is Gewürztraminer. Gewürztraminer is a vinifera. If Concords can withstand minus 25 and vinifera can only withstand minus 5 degrees in the middle of the winter, Traminette's somewhere in between. Again, we hit about minus 15 here a couple years ago. Some vines survived, some did not survive. So there's a little bit of genetic variation even within a block, but it kind of shows you the risk that you take if you're growing something other than Labrusca in the area. We have a few rows of Delaware that was actually here when we purchased the farm. Now Delaware is a Labrusca variety, so again, cold hardy, disease resistant. Obviously it's doing very well. It makes an excellent wine. If you go to Johnson Estate Winery and you buy Little Love Drops or Leverstrofen or whatever they call it now, that is a Delaware wine. So to me, it makes an excellent juice. It tastes like cotton candy when it's ripe.